Why did I even keep this charger? Ah, where's my charger now? Can hey, hey, Jesus Christ! My husband. So this is what he does. Eh? So he has money in this house and he will not get money for food. Come on, stingy man is this? Who is going to be buying this rubbish every time? I will deal with him today. I will deal with this man today. I don't know who is listening with. Let me see how today. This single time you use money to be buying this rubbish, you will not bring money for food. And you come to say, I'm looking for food you will eat. See this rubbish you want to do, you will do it very well today. Rubbish man.
Jamaica.